Hey, what's up? Welcome to my backyard. It's your favorite cook, Kirby. So it's been a while since I've been out here in the backyard grilling. It's just been too hot. Out here in Southern California, we were dealing with 115, 120 degree weather all summer. And now that it's starting to cool down, I gotta touch my grill. So today, I'm gonna be cooking up some Angus beef ribeyes. Yeah, I've been craving me a steak. Basically what I did is I drizzled a little bit of olive oil on there, and I gave it a nice seasoning with some kosher salt and some black pepper. So for this cook, I'm gonna be basically doing a hot and fast method. I'm gonna just give it a quick sear, about a minute and a half per side. I'm gonna go maybe about 45 seconds, and I'm gonna turn the steak a little bit, and then let that cook for another 45 seconds, and then do the same thing with the other side. And then once I get a nice good sear on there, I'm gonna basically take the steak and move it off direct flame, so that way I can cook it with indirect heat. I'm gonna be using my Weber iGrill Mini, so that way I can check to make sure that it hits a temperature of 130 degrees. So once it hits 130 degrees, it's gonna be a perfect steak. All right, for this cook, I'm gonna be using some mesquite lumps. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and lay a layer of fired charcoal right on top. Now I love using mesquite lumps because it adds a really strong smoky flavor. Alright, so you want that mesquite to go ahead and catch flame, so we'll give it like about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so at this point, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick my iGrill Mini in here, and I want to get that to a temperature of 130 degrees. Okay, so I got my iGrill Mini connected. It's reading at 119, so I'm gonna let that cook on indirect heat up to 130 degrees. Remember, this is a temperature cook, not a time cook. So you want to make sure it gets up to 130 degrees, and then we're moving from the grill. Alright, so our iGrill Mini is detecting that it's at 130 degrees internally. Just gonna pull these bad boys off the grill. Look at that. Alright, so now that we have the steaks off the grill, I'm gonna let them rest for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna slice them up and we'll do the taste test. Alright, so they're all rested up. Let's go ahead and cut into the steak. Taste test. Man, nice and juicy. Seasoning, got a good salt and pepper flavor to it. Really good beef. Good stuff. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so that we can see all my future videos. If you have any comments or anything you want to say about this cook, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. And while you're at it, hit the like button. Y'all be beautiful. Take care.